Hello guys, this is Angie. I'm here again to you guys to share my simple recipe. Can be a breakfast or can take in snack time. So yeah, this is a recipe is a soft moist carrot muffins guys and can make also a cake. So this one recipe is we love this recipe because carrot muffins are sweet and delicious. It's a great beginner for recipe for a young cooks in the kitchen. And the results do not disappoint. Bake them in just a few steps and have muffins all week long. So these easy muffins have a wholesome, mildly sweet flavor with a moist texture that's cake-like. This recipe is definitely a keeper, guys. And yeah, all the ingredients, I have only nine ingredients here. And the step you can see inside the video, the ingredients, guys, and the step, the way I prepare this recipe, guys. So let's get to it. Yes, what's that? What's something lies here? Yeah. So let's dive in inside the kitchen. And here, all my ingredients, guys. I show you them. Ingredients, we have flour, shredded carrots, eggs, dark brown sugar, raisins, salt, cinnamon powder, baking powder, and vegetable oil. These are all my ingredients here, guys, in this recipe. This one can be a snack or can take for breakfast as well. These ingredients here, guys, we need to take a large bowl and whisk together these ingredients here in this area. This all flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon must whisk together properly. These are dried ingredients. Then these other ingredients, we have three here kinds of ingredients: oil and the eggs and sugar, dark ocean. So this is one another large bowl to whisk together, guys, in another separate bowl. This one, and then after whisk this one, then add with the dried ingredients. And these two here ingredients, we need to lightly fold in the carrots and raisins with the butter, guys, slightly to mix so that need to well combine together.
So here now guys, you take the muffin tray and here paper. While you preparing the muffin tray, you can turn on or preheat the oven. 375 Fahrenheit or Celsius 180. Tips for perfect muffins. Be sure to measure the flour by spooning flour into the measuring cup, not scooping it with the measuring cup. Combine wet and dry ingredients just until mixed. The batter should be a bit lumpy. Fill muffin wells about 2/3 full. Ovens can vary. Check the muffins a bit early to see if they are done so they don't overcook. If a toothpick comes out clean, they are already cooked. Guys, wow, big dirty. Anyways, no problem. It's fine. So here, ready, going inside the oven, guys. There you go. But I got one extra hole. It's never mind. It's fine. Let's check the oven. Guys, look at that. Wow, the pop-up was so lovely. Amazing. Wow, good smell. Look at that, guys. Wow. So damn lovely. Wow. Okay, let's give a rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we try to check the taste, guys. Oh, amazing. So now let's try the recipe or the muffins we cook today, guys. So I show you. So I take one and show you. This is, guys, looks like this. So big. Then very nice the color, brown. And this thing here is a raisins, and then just open. So I show you. Wow, so fluffy, guys. There you go. Look the inside, guys. Got the carrots inside. So let's have a bite. Wow, really fluffy. The top is a quite a crunchy, guys. Oh yeah. Really nice, so delicious. Carrot muffins are perfect for breakfast or morning snack and drink along with you a coffee. Or can snack also in during afternoon or while you working and then you have a break time, you can take some with a either coffee or juice, whatever you decide to partner with this muffin, guys. So really nice, so delicious. Wow. Nice. So all the steps or the ingredients I just write down on the description box below, guys. And yeah, just check there if you ever wish to follow this recipe of mine and try to make your own. So yeah, and shout out also to my all subscribers out there. Thank you very much to you all, guys, and appreciate much your support to this channel. And please considering to click the subscribe button, likes and write comments down below and share. And yeah, shout out also to all the subscribers or not subscribers here. You share all my video or recipes. Thank you very much, guys. Comes from my heart to say thank you to you guys, and it's not enough to say thank you, but I really do to you say thank you guys and appreciate much. And yeah, please do click the notification bell and click all so that when I have a new. And yeah, guys, have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and advance Happy New Year, guys. And hope your holidays is have a amazing one, guys, with your loved ones there. So yeah, that's it. Merry Christmas. Have a prosperous New Year, guys. Sorry guys, before my video is cut because got timer my camera here because I'm using take video only my phone, guys. I don't have a special or brand camera here to taking my video or vlog to share with you guys. So just please considering click the my channel link and try to let's join in my channel, guys. You get access some exclusive perks here inside this in this channel, guys. Yeah, and okay, I end my video here, and always stay kind to yourself, to people around you, to your community, and wherever you go or wherever you are, be kind always. That's a simple way to do some good thing to others, guys. And yeah, so hope you like this video or my blog today, guys, and hope you enjoy watching. And yeah, thank you very much. And what else I can say? I think that's it all, guys. So yeah, have a nice day wherever you are, and see you soon next video again, guys. Bye.